Hi, Tanya Ross here of TBR Academy in Movement and Therapy with another video in our ulnar nerve, flossing, gliding, sliding, whatever you want to call it again. We're going to take you through another gentle movement. If you have been positive in the self-test, please watch that other video. But if you've been positive on that, then certainly we can hopefully give you some movements which may help. So with this movement, it's called smoking, inspired by the Nervey grip, and we're wanting to take it through just again slow-paced movements. So if you imagine you've got the finger and thumb together, I would prefer it's not smoking, it's not healthy these days. So you're wanting to take it up to the mouth and the head is rotated to the side. Then whenever we take it away, we're going to allow the palm to go face up. So as we come in, we're taking the arm through those movements. Now what we can do with the head action, okay, is we don't have to have it in full rotation, okay, if that feels straining on the neck, because there's always other tissues involved, so the neck, joints as well as the muscles. So as you're going through this, can you take it through 10 movements? So we're coming into wrist extension and hopefully that aim, elbow extension as well as we take it out. But it's this idea that we are flossing. Okay, do it on both sides, get the feedback. What's one side tell you compared to the other? Do you only get symptoms on one side compared to the other? Make sure when you're doing this movement you don't get any symptoms, you go short of that. Again, from 10 over the course of the week, but maybe building up to about 20. Very general advice, keep it simple. If anything else persists, please do see a medical professional just to make sure you're on the right track. But these are hopefully designed to be so gentle because you're not going into any sensations that they should hopefully help in some way. So hopefully this has been useful. Like, comment and subscribe. We're going to give you one more movement within this ulnar nerve series. So yeah, check it out and hopefully you'll find it helpful too.